Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn fun English. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nest. A bird, a baby bird in the nest. 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 Nail. 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 Necklace. 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 Nest. Nail. Necklace. What is the initial sound of the nest? Nest. What is the initial sound of the nail? Nail. What is the initial sound of the necklace? Necklace. What is this? N. Trace with your index finger. Go down, up, curve, down, curve. N. What is this? N. There are many nails here. Match the nail with the N on it with the jar. This one and this one and this one and this one and this one has N on it. See you later. Allah Hafiz.